Are you looking for the absolute best deal on your next house that you're gonna buy? Dave Z with eXp Realty. If you're watching this video, you might be thinking about buying a house. Do not click on a home and just see it with a random realtor. Do not hire your friend or your brother-in-law or your cousin who only sells a few homes. You need a hardball negotiator. For the last 21 years, I've helped almost 2,000 families with real estate, and it's taken me a long time to become a really shrewd negotiator. So if you wanna buy a house, here's what we'll do. We'll put a game plan together. We'll see which areas have the best deals. Call me, book a time, and let's figure out how do we win, like my last buyer who the appraisal came in at 605 and we closed at 530 with 4% in closing costs. We had all the repairs paid for. That doesn't happen by accident. There was a game plan put together there. What you see on Zillow, you will never pay with me. We can use down payment programs, payment assistance programs, seller concessions, assumable mortgages. There are so many things we can do to give you a hardball negotiation package to the seller. If we don't find the homes you like online, we can send out letters and we can put something together for the homes in the neighborhoods that you want off market at a very cheap, low reduced commission. Book a call with me. It doesn't cost you anything. And if I can't get you that deal that you want, you don't pay me anything. You can cancel anytime, but hire a hardball negotiator for your next house. That's me. And I will put you into a house at a payment that you can afford.